I'm Jen Thompson and this is Everyday Wellness. Today I have a full spread of lunches prepared that took me seriously 30 minutes maybe to put this all together. I have a friend that is kind of struggling getting some really good healthy meals in. The workouts are going great, but it's through the week they can't seem to get their foods in check to really get the results they're wanting to. And they know it's because of the foods. So I went ahead and I stepped in and I told them I was going to make up all these meals for them, easy meals that I know that they're going to be able to recreate, and show them how less stressed their week will be when their meals are planned out and the nutrition is well balanced. So I'm going to show you a little more detail of what these meals will look like. I've got 3 salads and 2 rice bowls and snacks that will be available to them on the go for quick, easy meals. Are you ready? Let's take a peek. Hey everybody, look how easy meal prep can be. This whole setup here, it's 5 meals and snacks. I did it all in 30 minutes. It's all gonna be ready for the week. I'm actually doing this for a friend that is struggling with getting the lunches in properly. So I'm showing them how easy it can be and how delicious it can be. So let's take a look. At the top is the salads. These are the 2 on the left are salmon in there for your protein, vegetables, a spinach base to it, strawberries, and some tomatoes, okay? And then on the far right is just a herb chicken with the vegetables, the spinach, the strawberries, and there's tomatoes in there. They're just hidden. And I'm gonna use this OPA dressing here on the side, put it in serving size containers, proper for dressings, and that will go alongside the salads. Now down below are rice bowls, and I actually used quinoa today. So at the bottom, if you can see in there, is quinoa, there's black beans, salsa, some stir-fried peppers and mushrooms, and in the back is the chicken, and it has like that herb seasoning, but it's a taco seasoning more on this one to make it a fun little rice bowl. So this can be heated nicely with these little microwavable containers, and they are dishwasher safe as well. And then off to the side, I've got green peppers chopped up, easy for them to snack on with guacamole. Okay, and that can even be teamed up with the rice bowl, they decide to. Some cheese sticks for an easy snack, and apples. So you can see this stuff looks really good and is a proper serving size, and it's gonna get all of the proper macronutrients in so that meals will be super easy, delicious, and ready to go. So contact me if you have any questions about meal prepping, or if you want help with doing this too. I am here to help anybody interested in improving their nutrition and balancing out their meals with proper portions. Thanks for joining me. This is Everyday Wellness, and I hope you are eating healthy today.